Hi, my name is Mel. Come along with me as I explore, travel, adventure, and create photography. This is MinuteTour, the home for my adventure stories. If you are in Las Vegas, be sure to include Hoover Dam on your trip. It is just an hour outside of Las Vegas. The Hoover Dam is one of the greatest feats of engineering in the United States. It is a massive concrete structure built on the border between Arizona and Nevada. The Hoover Dam truly is one of the new wonders of the world. You can walk along both sides of the top of the dam, seeing beautiful Lake Mead on the Arizona side and the dam on the Nevada side. Walking across the dam gives a great perspective of the massive size of the place. It was a unique experience to walk across the dam. As part of your visit, make sure to experience crossing the Memorial Bridge. The bridge is comparatively new in relation to the dam. It was constructed in 2010 and spans the Colorado River to connect the dam and the Nevada and Arizona sides. From the bridge, this is the best location for pictures and views of the Hoover Dam. A little scary, but it is a must-see adventure. It was well worth the experience of seeing and walking over the bridge. Hoover Dam was amazing to see it in person. So it's spectacular to look over the dam down below. I consider the Hoover Dam a must-see.